70 mile an hour doesn't that seem quick, doesn't it? Hey? I don't know, I think it's that loud exhaust I've got on. It makes it seem a lot faster than it really was. Oh, you know, accelerating up to 70 mile an hour. It's nice. I don't do it all the time. And usually you get a little policeman sitting up this end. I'm sure there's plenty of you that again and watch this and know where I am. If someone's having a bad day. Slipping behind him. Average speed cameras, there we go. And I'm pretty sure the guy behind me is going to do the same. Yep, I can see him in the mirror. He's done exactly the same. Because apparently, I don't know if this is true, I have been told by some policemen, but I've been told by someone I know, if you're not doing stupid speeds, and you're just a little tiny bit over the top, and you move from one camera to the next, let's just get out of their way. It all seems to be slowing up again. Yeah, if you, I believe, so I've been told, if you change lanes between cameras, he was nice. Just pulled out. Still on the GoPro, that probably looks like a million miles away. And I can tell you it wasn't. It wasn't. I'm going to give him the look. He didn't even bother. There you go. Didn't even bother. Oblivious. I don't know why some people are like that. In their own world, driving along. One day, bam. Mr. Motorcycles at the side of you, and then they panic. Oh, I don't know what I'm doing, I don't know, where did you come from? Well, if you'd have looked in your mirrors, you'd have seen me. Anyway, yeah, getting back to the cameras. So I've been told, if you alternate between lanes, not saying that this is legal, apparently it's supposed to, I don't know if it's true, I'm sure someone can tell me. Nice guy. Gave him a little thumbs up. I do like it, it's cool, that's cool, I like it. Some other guys I've been watching, getting back to the vlogging, Supermoto Pirates. Yes, Supermoto Pirates. You'll know who you're from. You know what I'm talking about. They're a bunch of guys that drive around on supermotos, obviously. I don't think they've all got supermotos. I think they've got, you know, all different bikes. But one particular guy on there who does, I think he does the main part of the vlogging. His name's Bishop. And he done this thing one day with where his bike came to life and he started talking to him. It's nice that, I like that. He's been tangoed. And yeah, so anyway, yeah, Supermoto Pirates, yeah, Bishop. I think he's the main sort of vlogger in the Supermoto Pirates. I don't know, I might be wrong. Anyway, he started this little vlog on his own where his bike talked to him. He's got his bike to talk to him. Would you believe it? I can't believe it. His bike was talking to him. It's marvellous. Yeah, his bike talks. I couldn't believe it. It was hilarious. Absolutely hilarious. If you get a chance, nip over to his channel. It's called Supermoto Pirates. I can't say no more than that. But look for the Bishop and Evie. Bishop and Evie vlogs. Well, I found it hilarious. It's really good. Cool. Really funny. Commented on a few of his pages, a few of his a few of it, you know, trying to have a little laugh with him. But he seems like a pretty cool geezer. Anyway, Supermoto Pirates apparently are having a meet-up on the 24th on Southend Seafront. It was actually Bishop who announced that the other day on his vlogging channel. So I may have a ride down there and have a meet up with him. I'll have to go down there on the Supermoto, obviously. Oh, excuse me. I think I've just swallowed a fly. Yeah, I was thinking of going down and having a meet up. Get to meet the chap himself. He comes across as a very funny chap. They seem like a cool bunch of lads. Sort of ooning about. But yeah, I'm sure he won't mind. I don't know him personally, but if there's any bikers around who want to have a look at his channel, and then, you know, maybe go down and meet him. If you can go over to his channel. I keep saying it, Supermoto Pirates. I've got nothing. He's not paying me, honest. Yeah, have a look at Supermoto Pirates. Who's this guy? Wearing shorts, driving your bike. Lovely. Give him a nod. Didn't get nothing back, but he might be a nice guy. He probably didn't see me coming up the inside. Let's have a little squeezy. Yeah, Supermoto Pirates. Go and have a look at him. Watch a few of his vids. He'll tell you himself on his one of his vlogs. He's having a meet up on Southend in Essex, Southend Seafront. I don't know if I had to say the Essex. I'm sure you all know where Southend is. It's at the Southend. Yeah, anyway, he's having a meet up. And he said anybody's invited. I wouldn't mind. If I'm not working that day, because I do work funny hours. I don't know when I'm on and when I'm off, and yeah, I'm a bit all over the place. I work for well, I'm not going to say what I work for, but I do a sort of an emergency services thing, if you know what I mean. It's like emergency call outs for all different types of stuff. Anyway, yeah, so I don't know when I'm on, when I'm off, but it's on the 24th at Southend Seafront. Apparently they're gonna get a meet up and then go off for a ride round. Probably end up at a burger bar or something like that. I dare say, I don't know, I really don't know. But get yourself on over to Supermoto Pirates. Gave that guy a wave. Another one who let me through. Lovely. And another one. Isn't they good, eh? Yeah, go and have a look. He's really funny. I like him anyway. He's funny. I don't know him, but I like his channel. It's funny. Made me laugh. Evie's hilarious. Can I talk about? I don't know who else to talk about. There's loads of you on there. Supermoto Pirates, Shiraz, the I believe she's German or Dutch, or I think. I do apologise if I'm wrong. She's like a supermoto stunt riding girl. Have a look at her channel. She does loads of stuff. Yeah. So that's how I sort of got into doing this. I thought I'd have a go myself. I've thought about it for a few years, and the best thing about it is that, you know, the GoPros and all these cameras and the drifts and all these different things. They're all you know, I don't know what to say. They're all different, all funny. Some are funny, some are boring. I've got a guy behind me, I think he wants to get past, so I better let him get on with it. I don't like holding people up. I'd rather get out of their way. You know, this time of the day everyone's trying to get home from work. I got fed up with yeah, just driving home and doing nothing. Boring drive homes. I thought I'd have a chat on the way home. Yeah, getting back to the cameras, as the cameras got smaller over the years. Because to be honest, some of them have been ridiculous. Some of the cameras have been pretty ridiculous. And yeah, I didn't want to. Nice guy. Another one. Yeah, I don't like holding people up when they want to go home from work. I've been there, done it. I'm sure we all have. Yeah, well, I think they secretly knew I was vlogging. Nah, I'm sure they're nice guys. They might watch the channel. Next time we even wave at me. That'd be nice. Anyway, if I'm another nice guy, I do like these people. This is ridiculous. I thought I was going to be coming home tonight, and it's the usual stuff. You usually get loads of people cutting you up and pulling out on you, and oh, geezer's playing with two phones. How can you do this? Two phones at once. Another guy. Lovely. I don't know if I don't know. It just seems like they're all getting out of my way today. Perhaps it's because I'm being nice.